This AI will generate an entire ebook in minutes, not hours. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. My desire for this channel is to help you create digital products as quickly as possible. I'll walk you through strategies, tips and tricks to be able to help you create your digital products. Products like video courses, ebooks, PLR products, low content books, along with PowerPoint tips, and we can't forget AI tools to be able to help speed up your process. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Here we are at a place called AI Ebook Suite. Now, AI Ebook Suite is a really good platform because it allows you to be able to create an ebook that also allows you to do a flip book. And also, you can not only do that, you can also create crossword puzzles, which is kind of unique. That's something that Designer doesn't actually do. Let's have a quick look down here. At the moment, they're having a bit of a dime sale, so this dime sale will go up in price as the time clicks along. So make sure you click on it sooner rather than later. Now, the link I'm going to have in there won't be an affiliate link, so because I haven't managed to get the link yet. Maybe later on it will be, but right now it's just a link that you can click on and you can get access to it. So as I said, it allows you to be able to create things like ebooks as well as puzzle books as well, or at least crossword puzzle books anyway. So you can have a look at that and go through all the way through. And right now, let's have a look at the pricing and I'll show you what I mean by the dime sale thing. There we go. Click on here, go down to the bottom, and we'll click on that and we'll see what it comes up as. Right now it's $26.97. Last time it was $26.95. So my suggestion would be get in sooner rather than later. Okay, so let's go and have a look at the actual site itself. Okay, here we are in the dashboard section. Now, if you want to actually have a look at the ebook that I've previously created, you go over here and click on that, and that will open this up. Now, I chose a background for this, and I think the next time I won't be because I don't particularly like it. So what you can do is have a look over here at the table of contents, which it creates, and then you go through and have a look at the ebook. Now, the ebook didn't quite follow the format that I was hoping it would follow, which was to be about creating ebooks using AI technology. So, because it didn't follow that, I was a little bit upset about that, but that's okay, it happens. So let's go and create our own ebook. To do that, you go over here to the one on the left-hand side, you got lists, ebook, and then you click project. Click on that. Oh, also too, if you want some more training, they have a lot of training videos just here that you can click on. So what you do is you go create project to start off with. Click on that. Then over here, you have to enter a name. I'm going to call this one, How to Create an Ebook Using AI Tools. Now over here, you have two types that you can choose from. You got your ebook or your flipbook. In fact, you can actually add them both because it can do both of them at the same time. Now over here, you've got your option to be able to put your different types of backgrounds in here. And I'm thinking, I don't think I want to do that again. So I'm going to turn that one off. And over here, we've got only ebooks. But over here, you've got simple ebooks, lead magnets, and social lead magnets. So if we go over here to ebooks or simple ebooks, this gives you an option to be able to put a redirect URL just here. Say for example, you're promoting your own product or you're promoting an affiliate product. You can put the redirect URL right here, and that can then go into the ebook. And when somebody clicks on the ebook and they buy the ebook or get given the ebook, they can go through, click that link, and you get commission for any sales that come from that. You can also do automation as well. Now let's go and have a look at the next one down, which is lead magnet. Now lead magnet also gives you the option of having things like the different things like MailChimp, GetResponse, Aweber, SendLane, Active Campaign, SendPulse, iContacts, Sendio, MailerLite, SendInBlue, MailWiz, and ACL. Okay, so the last one here is social lead magnet. This one here is a little bit different. This one allows you to go to Amazon, Google, and also Yahoo. So these are for things like paid ads. As I said, you also have your different kind of autoresponders. And down here, you'll need to also add your automation workflow from whichever one you've actually chosen from that list of autoresponders. And then that'll do that. Now, what you need to do at this particular point, we are not going to be using that one. We are using ebook only to make life a lot easier for us. So let's continue. Now, these are the different things you can choose from here. You have your one-click AI ebook creator. From inbuilt ebooks, you can click from, they actually have a library of ebooks, about 500 ebooks that you can choose from. From URL, from blog posts, from RSS feed. This one here from inbuilt content, we don't have access to that one. From scratch, from video. Now, in Designer, you have to actually pay for that. You have to pay like $200 a year to get access to that one. So that's pretty good that they actually included this one in it. Then you got from existing PDF and from ChatGPT. So I'm going to suggest I'm going to just stick with this one right now. And right here, I'm just going to click on that. And then I'm going to put down the name of the ebook. I'll be pausing the video while I do that. Okay, well now I've got this how to create an ebook using AI tools. I am just going to hit generate. And in just a moment or two, this doesn't take long. This is really quick. It'll create the outline for me and then it'll create all the content. Now, how to create the ebook. So what you have down here, be careful not to click on that. I did that earlier and I literally wiped an area out. So if you're going to edit it, you click on this one and that'll allow you to be able to edit up here as well. So, and to get back to be able to move down to the next section, you then click on it again. Now, say for example, you're not happy with that. Okay, let's have a look. Common mistakes to avoid when using AI tools for ebook creation. Innovative ways to include interactive elements in your ebook using AI. That's good. This is actually fitting to the point of which I was wanting it to do that it didn't do previously. Okay, so now that we've got that, let's scroll all the way to the bottom. This is where you now continue. And this is what it's going to do. It's now going to generate it. And you better have a look at what it looks like. And it's going to now put it all through here. And in here, you can see what it does. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here. I'm going to click on this text, highlight over the top of all of that, because I'm not a big fan of that blocky kind of text. Now, up here, a little bit higher up, I'm going to just click on that. And we go to here, typography, click on that. And I'm going to just choose the different font style. So we can go here. There's this one here. I can now go through here and have a look at the various types of font styles I have here. I might go Open Sans Bold. I'll also expand the size of that if I want to, because I'm not sure what size that is, but it doesn't look like it's going to be very big. So I might make that about 30. There we are. That's a good size for an ebook. Then you can go through and have a look at the various tools, the various things they have here. Now, I will say that's what I needed to do. I need to hit apply, and that will then apply it to everything here. Now, another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to now choose this color picker and choose this color right here so that I can put that back to the color it was meant to be. So Control C, get rid of that, and go to the background color and try to find that color. If it's not going to let me. Done. Okay. I was hoping it would let me be able to add a hex code to it, but it won't let me. Okay, it's no big deal. Let's just leave it at that for the moment, just for the sake of saving it. So let's go to the next part here. All right, that's the table of contents. In fact, I might just shrink this down to a smaller font because that's way too big. Let's go here to 16 font and hit apply. That's a bit better. Now what we might also want to do is make sure everything is sitting to the left. I have to click on this box, highlight over the top of that, then hit that and go 16, then hit left, and there we have it. Okay, so then we hit apply and it'll do that to every single box. If I want to, I can also make the background color. I'm going to make the font black. Drag that all the way down to the bottom And I'm going to make the background white just to make it easier for myself. Drag that up the top. There we are. Now we have it. It's going to be like that all the way across now. Be easier to read. There we have it. Now we've done that, you can go through and have a look at the various pages that they've got and what they've actually written, and then you can just decide to create, just hit submit. And that's all you need to do. Now, if you don't want to change the font, then you don't have to. As I said, it does have some funky things. It isn't quite as easy as Designer to be able to edit and so forth, but to be perfectly honest, for what you get, that's pretty good. So I'm just going to pause the video until it's finished. Okay, I will say that I had to actually stop what I was doing, delete everything, and then restart again because it had a few issues. But this didn't take that long once I refreshed the page and restarted again. Okay, so what we're going to be looking at here is you've got the ebook download link. I'm just going to quickly click on that. And this is where you would download it directly to your desktop if you wish to. Or if you want to have a look at the actual link page, you can click on that and that does the same thing. You can just download that as well. And over here you've got a flipbook. Now have a look at the flipbook. The flipbook is pretty cool. Once it opens up, I'll just quickly show you what it's like. It does take a few minutes. It does take a minute or two. So I'm just going to pause it until it's ready. Okay, so that was pretty quick. Right, all I need to do now is just click on here and it flips it open. Just like that. If you want to go back, that's all you really need to do. Okay, so that is the flipbook. If you want to have a look at the flipbook link, you can just click on that and that'll then open it up so you can actually share that with people if you want to. All right. This is called AI Ebook Suite. So the link will be down in the description down below, and it won't be an affiliate link yet. Doesn't mean it won't, but just right now, it's not an affiliate link. So I won't actually get any benefit from it, but I hope this does help you in some way. All right, guys. Hey, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, but also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? And also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of AI Ebook Suite. Also, to let you know that right here is a playlist of all my AI tools that I've ever created. Now, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, just click on that. Also, right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.